Hi, welcome back to Wool Reef channel. In this video we will show you how to crochet a shawl from gradient yarn with flowers of different shapes. This tutorial is inspired by the runways, where fashion brands showcase knitted pieces with bring gradient flows and floral accents. By the way, in this video we will also show you some interesting ways to style this piece, so make sure to watch until the end. Before you start, don't forget to subscribe, as it helps in the development of our channel. What you will need: yarn, hook, pins and scissors. Crocheting flowers. Flower 1. Make a magic ring with 6 single crochet, then close the ring with a slip stitch. Collect 5 chains and fix them into the next stitch. Repeat it 6 times. Crochet each petal with 3 single crochets, 3 chain picot and 3 single crochets again. After that, you need to fix with a slip stitch into the single crochet from the previous row. Flower 2. The first row of this flower are crocheted the same as the previous, so we start to show from the third. Collect 2 chains, crochet 3 double crochets, 2 chains again and fix into this petal base. Crochet 1 more chain and fix it into the next petal base. Repeat it 6 times. We shown you 2 different flowers and crochet also 3 more kinds. Also added a leaf. You can choose another's. Crocheting shawl. The shawl is crocheted first by increasing up to and including row 99, and then by decreasing. Starting from the second row, in each row simply add 1 double crochet. the increasing and decreasing will always occur on the same side, so you can fix with the marker there. Starting from row 100, subtract 1 double crochet. The last step is to sew on the flowers. The full pattern, complete with video charts and abbreviation, is available for purchase on our website woolreef.com. As promised, here are a few styling ideas for this shawl. First outfit. We tuck the shawl into the belt of the leather trench coat, creating a beautiful accent at the waist. Second outfit, very similar to the previous one, but we style the shawl with a blazer. It's a perfect match for classic office jackets as well. Third outfit, we tie the shawl over the jeans as a belt, creating a light and effortless casual look. Fourth outfit. It will add warmth to your evening walks. Draping the shawl over your shoulders will keep you feeling comfortable. Fifth outfit. A more traditional option for cozy autumn and winter looks. That's the end of our video. Thank you for staying with us. Feel free to share your result with us using our hashtag WoolReefPatterns. See ya on the next video.